Good evening. As you can see, week 4 programming assignment of data structures and algorithm using Python, NPTEL. Okay, so here we have got to write two functions today, and the ones which we have been told to write are write a Python function histogram L that takes input list of integers with repetitions and returns a list of pairs as follows. For each number n that appears in L, there should be exactly one pair n comma r in the list returned by the function, where r is the number of repetitions of n in L. The final list should be sorted in ascending order by r, the number of repetitions for numbers that occur with the same number of repetitions. Arrange the pairs in ascending order of the value of the number. For instance, histogram 13, 12, 11, 13, 14. Okay, so 11 one time it has appeared, 7 it has appeared two times. Yep, 12 it has appeared two times, one time here and one time here. Okay, so we have to do that only. Today only in Python we were doing the same thing in my in the live which I posted on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. Okay, so let's build our first method. What they have told to keep the name of the method, we have to give the name as histogram. Okay, so def histogram. Okay, we have to pass a list L, right? Now, now what we are doing from collections import counter. Okay, count is equal to counter L. The same thing as we were doing there. We are converting it to a dictionary and then we are just putting it into counter, right? Okay, in the count variables. Return, return. What shall we return? Sorted count dot items, comma key is equal to lambda x, lambda x of 1, comma x of 0, right? So this is what we have written. Done. Next what they've told, they have given us a college maintains academic information about students in three separate lists. Course details, a list of pair from course code and course name where entries are strings. For instance, MA 101 calculus, PH 101 mechanics. Okay, student details, both entries are strings. Okay, fine. And a list of triples in the form of roll number, course code, and grade. Yeah, we got this right. Okay. So what we have to do here is basically we have been given a list, three lists. One is of course students and another one is containing triples, a list of triples, right? Okay. So how we can do it? This is a sample that we have been given for the transcript, how we have to pass the variables inside the transcript. This is how, see, like MA 101 calculus English, these are the courses, right? And these are the name of the student details, and at the end we have to pass the three triples, roll number, course code, and grade, right? Now see how we will approach it. Def transcript, right? Now what we have to do, course details, comma student details, comma grades, right? Course dictionary is equal to, what it will be, dictionary of course details. We are converting it into a dictionary, right? Course details. Okay. Student dictionary is equal to dictionary of student details. Student details, right? And last result is equal to for roll, course, comma grade in grades. What we have to find? Grades is what? Grades is our that one with the triple, uh, which contains the list of triples, right? So we have the role, course, and grade here. If role is not in result, then what we do? Result roll is equal to, um, right, result roll dot append course, comma, course dict of course, comma, grade, right, for roll in result roll dot sort e lambda x x 0 final list is equal to for roll in sorted result dot keys final list dot append roll, comma, student underscore dict roll, comma, result roll, right. And at last, what we need to do? We need to return the final list. Return final list. Okay, so we're done with our uh, this one, right? So what we have here from collections, we import counter first, and then we know that we're this is the histogram one. Now in transcript, what we do, we know we have the course details, student details, and grades. Now we convert all of them to a dictionary, and we find a result, right? For if role is not in result, then what we do? Simply we set it as blank. Result of role is equal to result role dot append. What we append? Course, comma course dictionary course. We just grab the course from the dictionary and append it, right? Uh, this is how we do it, and we sort it by roll number, and the final list that we get is something like this, right? So let's check if our answers are compiling and running. Okay, okay, 0 out of 5 test cases all failed. Okay, passed. Okay, compilation passed, but I got an error. Let's check where we got the error. Okay. Okay, yeah, we definitely get a error here. Is key is equal to lambda x. Okay, now it's fine. I think so. 3 out of 5 passed. Okay, what is the problem here? The result is equal to roll dot append. Uh, okay, I have a typing error here. Course dic, course. Now I think we've got everything right. Yeah, 5 out of 5 test cases passed. Uh, yeah, passed after ignoring presentation error. Yeah. So as you can see, this is how this code will be. You can check it out and for a better view. Um, yeah. This is the solution. Thank you for watching. Let's submit it. Yeah, your answers have been successfully submitted. Okay. Yep. Yeah, all the test cases are passed, as you can see. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to this channel for more such content, and leave a like and do leave a comment if you get a time. And thank you so much. Bye bye.